Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 3rd standard subject Maths Board CBSE chapter 9 Money. So in money today we are going to see exercise 1 and exercise 2. So what is the symbol for rupees children? So this is the symbol for rupees. Next, 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise equal to, how will you convert paise into rupees? So you have to divide it by 100. That is 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. So listen children, where you should write the rupee symbol, that is left side of the number only you should write the rupee symbol. So why we are using this dot? To separate rupees and then paise we are using this dot. So left side of the dot is rupees, right side of the dot is paise. So this is paise, so no need to write paise here, only rupees alone you can write. So this is rupees and then after the dot, that is right side of the dot is paise. So we are going to see exercise 1. Write the money shown in the short way. So we are going to write the money in the short way. What they have given? So here 50 rupees and then 50 paise. So how will you write? So in rupees you write 50, then paise how will you write? So after the dot only you will write the paise. So put the dot. After the dot, how many paises? 50 paise. So you write 50. Next, what they have given? 100 rupees, then 50 paise. First you write 100 rupees. Next, put the dot. So after the dot, that is right side of the dot, you have to write the paise. So you write 50 paise. Next one, only they have given 50 rupees. So you write 50 rupees alone. They didn't give paise here. So if you want, you can write dot 00. Both are same only. Rupees 50 and then rupees 50.00 is same only. Next, rupees 10 rupees, 5 rupees, then 1 rupee, then 50 paise. So you can add the rupees. So what is 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16 rupees. So how much rupees they have given? 16 rupees. Then paise is only 50 paise. So you can write 50 paise. Next one, write the following in the short way. So we are going to write this in the short way, same like that. Rupees left side and then right side we are going to write the paise. So they have given first one is 20 rupees 65 paise. So you can write, so write rupees symbol, then 20 rupees, then put the dot, then 65 paise. Next one, 12 rupees 70 paise. 12 rupees and then 70 paise. So you write rupees symbol, then 12 rupees, then the dot, then how many paises? 70 paise. So you write 70 paise. Next one, 12 rupees, then 7 paise. So write rupees symbol, 12 rupees. See, listen children, here only one digit they have given, okay. So after the dot, 2 digit must be there. So you write 07. So you write 07. Next one, 8 rupees 75 paise. So you write rupees symbol. Next, how many rupees? 8 rupees. Then the dot. Then after the dot, paise. How many paises? 75 paise. Next one, 6 rupees. Only rupees they have given. So you can write rupees 6.00. Next one, 9 rupees 5 paise. So you write 9 rupees, then dot. See here, listen, here only one digit they have given. So you can write 05. Next one, 1 rupee equal to rupee 1. Next, 1 rupee 1 paisa. So you write 1 rupee. So they have given here only one digit. So you can write 01. For paise you can write 01. Next one. So exercise 2, next one, convert into paise. So they have given rupees we are going to convert rupees into paise. So already you know 1 rupee equal to how many paise, children? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So we are going to convert 6 rupees into paise. So 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 6 rupees equal to, you can write 6 alone because both are same, 6.00 and then 6 is same. So how will you convert? You have to multiply 6 into 100. So if you multiply by 100, you will get the answer. So 6 into 100, 6 into 1 is 6. Then you can include these 2 zeros. Okay. So what is the answer? 6 rupees equal to how many paise, children? So answer, you can write 6 rupees equal to 600 paise. Next one, they have given, see in the number name they have given, first you write the number 25 rupees. How much they have given? 25 rupees. So you write 25 rupees. So how will you convert rupees into paise? If you multiply by 100, you will get the answer. So 1 rupee equal to how many paise, children? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 25 rupees equal to how many paise? How will you find out this? So you have to multiply by 100. So 25 into 100 paise. So tell me what is 25 into 1? 25 into 1 is 25. Then you can include these 2 zeros. So tell me the answer, 2500 paise. So 25 rupees equal to how many paise, children? 25 rupees equal to 2500 paise. Next one also we are going to convert into paise. They have given, listen, 23 rupees 95 paise. So you can write 23.95. So listen, 1 rupee equal to how many paise, children? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 23.95 they have given. So this is rupees, this is paise. So 95 is already in paise. So 23 alone will convert, then we can add with that. Okay. So 23.95 we can write 23 rupees plus 95 paise. 23 rupees plus 95 paise. So how will you convert 23 rupees into paise? We are going to multiply by 100. So 23 into 100 paise plus 95 paise. So what is 23 into 100? So 23 into 1 is 23. Then you can include these 2 zeros. So 2300 paise plus 95 paise. So you add 2300 plus 95. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Next 0 plus 9 is 9. Next 3, then 2. So tell me the answer, 2395 paise. So the answer is rupees 23.95 equal to 2395 paise. Next one, 100 rupees 5 paise. Only they have given 5 paise. This is not 50 paise, children. This is only 5 paise. So 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So we are going to convert 100 rupees 5 paise into paise. So you can write 100.05. So we can write this is 100 rupees plus 5 paise. So this is in paise. So 100 rupees alone we can convert into paise, then we can add with that. So 100 into 100 paise plus 5 paise, because 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, that's why we are multiplying with 100. So 1 into 1, 1, then include these 2 zeros and then these 2 zeros. So 10,000 paise. So 100 into 100 is 10,000 paise plus 5 paise. So we'll add 10,000 plus 5. So if you add with this, what will you get? 0 plus 5 is 5, next 0, 0, 0, then 1. So tell me the answer. What is the answer? 10,005 paise. So the answer is 100 rupees 0.05 equal to, what is the answer? 10,005 paise. Next one, convert into rupees. So we are going to convert paise into rupees. So before one we have converted rupees into paise. Now we are going to convert paise into rupees. So how will you convert paise into rupees, children? 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. So we are going to divide and then find out. So listen, 750 paise equal to rupees 750 by 100. See, 1 paise equal to 1 by 100. So 750 paise equal to 750 by 100. See, you look at the denominator, children. Look at the denominator. How many zeros in the denominator? Only 2 zeros. So what you should do now? So you write the numerator. Then if in the denominator only 2 zeros, from the back you leave 2 digit. 1, 2, then put the dot. So this is 7 rupees 50 paise. So you can write the answer. 750 paise equal to 7 rupees then 50 paise. 7 rupees and 50 paise. Next one, 405 paise. So 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. So 405 paise equal to rupees 405 by 100. Here also you look at the denominator, children. So in the denominator 100. So how many zeros in the denominator? 2 zeros. So what you should do in the numerator, you have to leave 2 digits from the back, then put the dot. Okay. So 1, 2. So what is the answer? So 405 paise equal to how many rupees? 4 rupees and then 5 paise. 4 rupees and 5 paise. Next one, 100 paise. So you know very well what is 100 paise. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So 1 rupee equal to, 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. So 100 paise equal to rupees 100 by 100. So what is 100 by 100? Same number. So for 2 0 we can cancel for this 2 zeros. So 1 by 1 is rupees 1. So what is the answer? 100 paise equal to how many rupees, children? 100 paise equal to 1 rupees. So for this 2 zeros we can cancel this 2 zeros. So 1 by 1 is 1. So what is the answer? 100 paise equal to 1 rupees. Next they have given 1 paisa. 1 paisa they have given. What is this? 1 paisa they have given. So same, 1 paisa equal to rupees 1 by 100. So 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100. They have given here 1 paisa only. Okay. So 1 paisa equal to rupees 1 by 100. See, listen children, if it is 2 digits in the numerator means we'll leave 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit means from the back we'll leave 2 digit and then we'll put the dot, because in the denominator 2 zeros are there. But here only 1 digit is there. So what you should do, children, before the number you can write 0, then put the dot. Then after the dot you can write the 0, it has no value, you can write 0. Okay, so rupees 0.01. What is the answer? Rupees 0.01. So write the answer. 1 paise equal to rupees 0.01. So in money we have completed exercise 1 and then exercise 2. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.